Well, I need to work on an exhaust today, so I switched to my MIG. I hooked my MIG up, but the idea is I've got an extension cord for the welders, 25 foot, and then I also have an extension cord for my outlet that I mounted in case I need to use grinders or whatever. This way I can roll this cart. I can roll it out 25 feet if I need to, but at least I'll get it underneath the hoist. Since I only have about I think it's a 15-foot width, but that's okay. I mean, 15 foot will go a long ways, but it just makes it easier to be able to roll that cart out to where I'm working. So yeah, extension cords work just fine.